So we're out at the Old West Shootout out at the front of our hotel.
It's great timing for the show. They decided to warm up the train right behind us.
Today we're eating breakfast at the Grand Depot Cafe. It's an all-you-can-eat breakfast buffet. It's all you can eat.
Take that big bite. Is that a good hash brown?
I'm gonna try my omelet.
Hi.
I got you were videoing Haley.
I know. I got you getting a big old bite.
You're probably gonna need to edit that out.
I'm gonna try my omelet.
Did you make that omelet all by yourself?
No. You can make your own omelet thing over there,
Uh-huh.
and you ask them what and you tell them what you want inside of your omelet, and then they make it.
What are you staring at, you silly?
You.
Me? Is that good bacon?
You goof. Don't choke on it.
These are authentic Fruit Loops. I have not had a real Fruit Loop in years
Why?
because my wife won't buy real Fruit Loops
Why?
because you're cheap. That's so good. It's the Don't Smile Challenge.
It's a bacon face.
Who's got a bacon face?
Don't smile. Don't smile.
Hey, you guys. Who's having fun in here?
So we are in our Aunt Kim's bedroom.
At the hotel.
At the hotel. And we were working on our suckers. And look, right there, it's sticking out of the sucker.
Dylan, where did yours go? Did you throw it away? Why did you throw yours away?
What did you eat? The scorpion leg. That's why I wanted to pull it away. She ate a scorpion leg.
And it's down in your tummy now? And Campbell, you're kind of done with the candy part, huh?
You just want the scorpion.
You just want to eat the scorpion?
Try the scorpion leg that's sticking out.
Ooh, wait. You've got a scorpion leg sticking out?
Yeah, you're doing a try.
So there's a
Eat the
little
scorpion leg.
teeny bit sticking out of the top.
Eat the little bit.
And that's a scorpion leg. And Campbell's going to try and eat it.
It's too small. I can't get it.
You can't get it off? Okay.
Alright, I think everything's clear out of here. You want me to take
Yeah, it's too
the girls
small.
down and take these three?
Funny, funny, funny. Look at Daddy.
Mulling some product. Alright, you gotta get off. Everybody off. Off into that corner over there.
Goodbye, Grand Railway Hotel.
Clippers? Oh, look at this jammy. That's cute. Too bad we don't have any more babies.
And can we buy you that? Wow.
This is an actual pencil.
That's huge. How'd you like to take a big test with that?
Should we get this?
For school?
Yeah.
No. Check this out. Deja Blue. It's good water.
My favoriteest rock out of all of these is this one.
Show me.
Where did that other rock go?
Oh yeah.
There's a Bailey. Come on, CAMPB. Nope.
What are you looking in?
These.
Oh, cool. Let's see, I got one too. Choo choo. Huh. That's neat. Hey, what do you have on your head?
A conductor's hat. This will be perfect for the train park we're gonna go to today.
Who got you that?
Aunt Kim's. Choo choo! We should do the big pencil challenge. We should do the big pencil challenge. I have to show Mom.
We have a special guest on our vlog today. It's Smokey Bear.
So I found these camera earrings.
Camera earrings. That's awesome. Check it out. This pin has a train inside of it.
And guess who found it?
Does it want to go?
Guess who found it? I found it.
It doesn't want to go.
Want to try root beer?
Yeah.
There's a smoothie mix.
I wonder if you could play with these. That'd be so cool if you could build a house with these. Look at this. It's candy Legos.
Oh, you gotta be kidding. Those are edible Legos?
Yeah.
That is too cool. Think we could build a house with them?
Yeah. Come on, let's get some.
Let's go look at the Grand Canyon.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. What do you call a cow with no legs? Ground beef. So we're at a park here in Williams. Ooh, it suddenly got dark. And it's all railroad themed. Yeah, this is a bridge over this canal that is an old railroad car that they hollowed out and turned into a bridge. All right, you guys. Think you can handle it?
Got it?
Your feet are a little dangly.
There you go.
Any last words?
Love you.
I love you too. Oh. See you later, I hope. Oh, here they come.
Dad, if you were on that, you would have peeped already.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See ya.
See ya. you've done way too
Alright, you guys are all set?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you, Dad, for paying for you.
Hey, Dill. Are you gonna go on the zip line?
I got you, Bill.
Did you see how far up it was?
Can you wave it at Kimmy and wave at Dad? My shoes.
You can kick them off if you like. Alright, see you guys.
Bye! Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me too. I'm holding onto this and not onto my seat. I don't love that. Oh shoot. Seriously, no hands? Hold on, kid.
See the horn play field from here.
Hold on, Dylan.
I couldn't see the horn.
You're making me nervous, kid.
So awesome.
That's the worst part, is that.
Stop.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us on our trip to the Grand Canyon. We hope you had as much fun as we did. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications.